Wait! Before you become a YouTube celebrity and grow your channel like crazy, how would you like to get better results even faster? First off, I want to thank you for purchasing the guide to becoming a YouTube celebrity. You're going to learn a lot about the best ways to create content, manage your channel, and get the YouTube stardom you're looking for. But what if I told you there was a shortcut to becoming a YouTube celebrity? What if there was a way to start seeing massive results even faster than just by going through the text-based guide you already purchased? And what if you could get even better results? You know, more fans that are highly engaged and excited to see everything that you add to your channel. Although the guide you just purchased is extremely easy to follow and is written in a simple step-by-step format, it's a proven fact that most people learn better by watching something done as opposed to just reading about it. How do you learn best? Are you a visual learner like most people out there? Do you learn faster and get better results by watching something instead of just reading? Because most people are visual learners, they struggle to even complete a text-based course. And of those that do go through the whole course or guide, many struggle to remember and retain everything they went through. Sadly, most people that read a text-based course or guide will read it, but they just don't have the motivation to take what they learned and apply it. What if you didn't have to choose? What if you could get a complete video training course in addition to the text-based training guide that you purchased? Something that would take you by the hand and give you that next level of training that you need to quickly become a YouTube celebrity. As quickly as possible. The good news is you're going to have the chance to do that today. Introducing the video version of the YouTube Celebrity Guide that you just purchased. To put it simply, I want you to start getting your content out there, getting tons of followers, and have you going big as quickly as possible. And there are little details that can be the difference in becoming a YouTube star and having a tiny following, or even worse. If you do things wrong with YouTube, you may never get anyone to follow you consistently. That's why you need to really understand and comprehend every single detail inside the guide to becoming a YouTube celebrity. To make absolutely sure you don't miss any important details when it comes to getting started on YouTube, getting your content up and running, building a rabid following, and becoming a YouTube celebrity. If you miss just one step in the process in your quest to YouTube stardom, you could find yourself wasting a ton of time and ultimately missing out on becoming the celebrity that you're born to be. Sadly, many people struggle to get traction with YouTube because they try to wing it and do things their own way. When you follow what you'll learn inside the step-by-step video training, getting results is as simple as following the proven steps to success. Upgrading to the video version guarantees you learn how to do everything the right way in your quest to become a YouTube celebrity. Click the button below to get instant access. And of course, as an existing and valued customer, you'll get access to the upgrade with special customer-only discounted pricing. When you consider that this is just like having an expert at YouTube stardom coming into your home or office and showing you exactly how to set everything up and see results, It will be easy to charge $500 or more for this upgrade, and it will be worth every penny. But you won't pay anywhere near that when you make the wise decision to upgrade today. Plus, when you take action today, you're also going to get an exclusive bonus of 10 high-quality audio MP3s of all the training. This makes it easy to learn on from anywhere and get results quickly and easily. When you add the MP3s to the 10 high-quality videos that show you how to do everything from getting started with YouTube to getting tons of engaged subscribers, it's impossible to fail when you make the wise decision to upgrade. Not to mention, you get to test drive this upgrade for the next 30 days. With absolutely zero risk. If for any reason or no reason at all you're not 100% satisfied with what you learn inside, simply send us email and we'll refund every single penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. But please don't wait. This is an exclusive, one-time offer at pricing that's only available to our existing customers. If you wait, you may never get another chance to get access to this at a price this low. Click the button below to get instant access today. The tips in the last video will all help people to find your videos. But there are also some basic marketing strategies you can opt to use to help your channel grow faster overall too. Watch any of the big YouTube channels and you'll find that they end in pretty much the same way, with the creators asking their viewers to like, share, and subscribe. This is the simplest way to get more subscribers, and it works very well. A lot of people are more than happy to like your content. It just doesn't occur to them, or they don't realize quite how much it helps you. Just asking can make all the difference by making it easy and reminding them. Another very important tip when growing your following on YouTube is to look for other YouTubers that you can partner up with. If you watch any big channel, you'll find that very often it will work with other big channels and feature guest appearances from other creators or just mention those other creators. A channel that does this very well is Vsauce, which features answers to many fascinating questions. Michael Stevens is the creator of this channel, and he is almost always recommending other creators or having them come on to talk about their areas of special knowledge. This is essentially influencer marketing. It means you're finding an influencer, in other words, anyone with a large existing audience, and getting them to promote you. The key to success in this arena is not to try and be too ambitious right away. In other words, you're probably not going to get a shout out from Vsauce unless you're already pretty huge. Instead, try and find someone who is about the same size as you and in a similar niche and ask if they want to do a crossover video with you. This way, you both stand to gain by exposing each other to your respective audiences. This will give you a boost in numbers, which means you can try and reach out to someone even larger next time. If you don't have any luck with this right away, you can also try just giving people free mentions, and you may find that those creators are flattered by it and see fit to do the same for you in kind. Try not to view other creators in your community as your competitors. Instead, view them as colleagues and think of the niche as a community of creators. This way, you'll be able to ingratiate yourself into that community and work with them to help get yourself known while delivering something new for their viewers. Of course, YouTube's advertising platform is not just a way for you to make money. It can also be a way for you to spend money on your own adverts. This way, you can create an advert that will show at the start of other videos and bring people to your channel. This costs money though, so it's not going to be a good option unless you already have a good form of monetization set up, and that needs to be more than just advertising. If your YouTube channel is the start of an effective sales funnel that leads people to buy a high ticket item, you can calculate your LCV, that's lifetime customer value, and then decide how much you're willing to spend on ads. If you choose to go down this route, then it can be very effective. Just take a look at the success of Ty Lopez thanks to his Here in My Garage ads, even if he is pretty much despised by half of the net. Finally, make sure that you aren't doing all of your promotion on YouTube. The best way to look at YouTube is as one part of a much broader strategy to build your brand and build trust and influence across the web. This means you should be on social media, and this will give you a way to share your content as you build more followers. Think of this as a virtuous cycle and try to focus on the synergy between your social channels and your YouTube channel. You can ask people to follow you on Twitter and Facebook in your videos, and then use Facebook and Twitter to bring more people back to your YouTube channel and hopefully get more shares among the broader network. This will help to make your brand feel more like a movement rather than a one-man show, and should help you to build genuine followers. Your blog, meanwhile, can serve a similar role, and you can use this to add additional content to your videos. This will make it easier for your videos to be found on Google and will give your fans a base where they can enjoy your content when they don't have the option of watching YouTube. The key to good branding is to be everywhere, and just because YouTube is your focus, that doesn't mean you should ignore other channels.